What's going on, guys? Colby here, back with another video. Today I got some dollar store Donruss packs. These first four were gifted to me by my girlfriend, and then I bought 5 more. Did I say 10? I don't know. There's 9. Anyways, so those 5 we'll save. We'll do. You know what? Let's do mine first, and I'll do the one that my girlfriend got me. See which one was better. So let's see, TJ Watt, Justin Jefferson, that's the yellow, Jalen Phillips. Patrick Queen, Randall Cobb, Odell, got a nice Javonte Williams, yellow. Oops. And then a JV and Hawkins. See if we can get a Jamar Chase. That'd be so nice. CJ Ham. Keelan Cole. Allen Robinson. And then I got a Zach Wilson. That's a nice one. Fournette, Amendola, John Elway, got AP, and Kelvin Joseph. And then the last one of my pack. Jonathan Abram, Jameson Crowder, Patty Mahomes, yellow, that's not bad. And then Zaven Collins. Okay, mine are decent. Let's see what my girlfriend, let's see what she got. Stephon Gilmore. Got Kyle Long, yellow, Robert Woods, and then Khalil Herbert. Got Allen Robinson, David Johnson, Von Miller, no helmet. I got Harrison Smith and a Marquez Stevenson. 2 more packs. Tre'Davious White, Tyler Boyd. Got Zeke. Dak. That's a no helmet yellow. And then Racy McMath. 1 more pack. Can we pull a Jamar? Roquan Smith, Zach Cunningham, got Dak, same card but not yellow. Got Amari Cooper yellow, and then a Demetric Felton. So I don't know. I think I won the battle. I think I won it with the Zach Wilson and the Javonte Williams. So I didn't realize this wasn't no helmet either. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and peace out.